Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld.
And I'm Julie Jarmiolowski. We're with the K Grant Group and my home group here in Arizona. And we're here today to introduce you to Christine McConnell with Nations Lending.
Good morning. Thank you for having me. I'm really happy to be here.
We're happy to have you here as well.
So the reason we asked Christine to join us today is over the last 10 years of Julie and I being full-time realtors here in Arizona, one thing we've learned is that our clients all have different needs, not just on what type of home they need to purchase or why they need to purchase a home, but really how do they need to purchase a home? Are they cash? Are they finance? What product they need to use to ensure they meet their goals? And so one thing that's amazing about Christine is that her and Nations Lending have tons of different products that are tailored to individual needs.
Right. And so product we have right now that I don't think many people know about is you could purchase a home for your family member, for your parents as a primary residence. So if you're paying rent for your parents because they're on a fixed income or they just can't qualify for whatever reason, you as an individual can go purchase a home for as little as 5% down, have them reside in that property. They don't even have to be on the mortgage or title.
So is this the case even if I already own a primary home? So my husband and I own it and we want to gift or purchase a place for our parents.
Yes.
We can get a second primary mortgage?
Yes, absolutely, because it's for your parents. And this way, if you're paying someone else rent, whether it be a landlord or an individual for them to live, why not start building some equity for yourself while helping your parents?
What a great idea.
That's amazing.
Yeah, many people do not know that.
Yeah.
So for your communities that you work in, 55 plus, what a great opportunity for some of those children if they need to help their parents.
That's amazing to know, because I know we work with people all the time that are trying to figure out what's the best answer for their parents, right? They are, like you said, a lot of times you're on that fixed income and prices have gone up and maybe that fixed income doesn't work for them anymore to still have the lifestyle they want or that you want for them. So it allows us to do that using the same requirements, the same everything that we use when we buy our own primary.
Exactly. And your parents feel secure. It's their own. It's their home.
That's
a
amazing.
great option, isn't it?
It is. So if you're in the situation that you're even considering, is it maybe the time that you want to start helping your parents out? You want to purchase a home for them? Please don't navigate these waters on your own. There's a lot of things with both loan products, with communities you select, that we want to make sure that we're really truly guiding you for. So reach out to us. All three of us would absolutely love to help you through this process.